this beautiful celebration of love and commitment. We gather here today to witness the joyous union of Jarin and Steffi, who are embarking on a journey of love and togetherness, the joining of two hearts in the presence of God and their cherished loved ones. It's my pleasure to introduce our dashing groom, Jarin George. He's a man whose expertise lies in the world of technology and innovation. A visionary and a leader, he's an automation engineer who has not only mastered his field but also runs his own successful company. His dedication for making processes smarter and more efficient is truly inspiring. Please give a warm welcome to our dear Kannetai. And now, let's talk about the beautiful bride. She is someone who devotes her life for caring others, bringing compassion and healing into the lives of her patients every day, and became a ray of hope in their darkest times. As a dedicated nurse, her kindness and commitment to her profession are truly remarkable. She is an embodiment of empathy and strength. Let's hear it for the bride, Steffi Piley.
നിന്നോടെനിക്കുള്ള പ്രണയം ചൊല്ലുവാൻ ഞാൻ കാത്തിരുന്ന ദിനം പ്രണയം പറഞ്ഞിടാൻ വയ്യാതെ നിന്നെ ഞാൻ പ്രണയിക്കുമീ സുദിനം നിന്നെ പ്രണയിക്കുമീ സുദിനം നിന്നോടെനിക്കുള്ള പ്രണയം പ്രണയം പ്രണയം.
Please put your hands together in welcoming to the stage the incredible couple, Jarin and Steffi.